Insert the trailing piece of carrier tape into the cutting jig. Lift the cover tape until it reaches the jig stop. Lower the top plate and cut the carrier tape. Insert the leading piece of carrier tape into the cutting jig. Lower the top plate and cut the carrier tape. Place the 8mm double splice tape into the alignment jig and peel off the liner along the tape's edge. Position the leading piece of carrier tape onto the exposed adhesive of the double splice tape and lower the hold down plate. Align the trailing piece of carrier tape on the remaining adhesive section and lower the hold down plate again. Close the jig to fold the top section of double splice tape over the cover tape. Remove the splice tape from the jig. Firmly press along both sides of the splice to ensure adhesion, then remove the plastic carrier liner. Peel back the cover tape to verify a smooth transition through the splice. The result is a splice securely joined on both the top and bottom of the carrier tape.